4 minutes or less, Alex Felix. Question today comes from Samantha L. Have you ever cheated on a test? I have once, I think. Have you?
Yeah, I used to.
Yeah?
I used to cheat on spelling tests when I was in grade 6.
Oh my god, that's exactly what I cheated on.
Yeah? Okay,
Yeah,
tell me your cheating story.
This was first grade, so I must have been 6 years old, I think.
Yeah.
And I was having a really, really difficult time with this one word. So whenever you had a spelling test...
Do you remember the word?
I do.
What's the word?
So, whenever you had a spelling test, you'd get the list of words, right?
Yeah.
So they give you the list of words to take home the night before. So I go home and I'm trying to remember them. I'm having a really tough time with this one word. So I'm like, okay, you know what? I'll write it down. I'll fold it up. I'll put it on my desk.
Okay.
And I'll sneak it out when she calls the word. So she's going through the list, and it happens to be the very last one. Calls out the word. I'm like, okay, I got this. C-O. And then I pull into my desk. W. I had such a tough time with the W. I don't know why.
Really?
Yeah, when I was 6, I'm just like, W's not a thing. I didn't believe in W's.
You know, you need to speak without W's for the rest of the show.
Speak.
You can't.
Speak. No. Letter after X. Is that right? I don't know. I'm sticking with that.
I don't know. But yeah,
that's the only time I ever cheated is in the first
Spelling
grade.
was
There.
really hard, actually.
It is. I have a tough. I can't spell restaurant. I have no. I can never get that one right.
It's that for me. It's that AU.
Yeah, I'm never quite.
I get it now.
Or AU. Ants? I don't know. See, I still don't know. I've never.
Although I'm not brave
the funny
enough
thing
to
is,
spell
I
it.
know this is a problem. And I've never tried to correct it.
Well, you don't have to correct it because your phone corrects everything. Your computers correct everything. Like Google corrects things before you even hit enter. So people don't really need to know how to spell anymore. And
okay. Anyways, you cheated on a test.
I don't remember the word, but for me,
it was spelling as well.
It was spelling in grade 6, and we did this thing where the teacher never marked our spelling test. We would give it to another student to mark our spelling test.
Oh, it's like pure. Yeah, that's because the teacher doesn't want to go home and mark 30. Just swap them. She doesn't care if you cheat.
It's because they're unionized. They don't have to work anymore.
Not my problem. Anyway.
But what I used to do is, like, if I wasn't sure if there was an E at the end or like an I somewhere, I'd very, very faintly write it in. And then when they were doing it, I'd be like, oh, I actually erased that. If there was an E at the end, or if the E wasn't at the end, and they saw the E, I'd be like, oh, I erased it. I guess it didn't. I actually spelled that right.
You've done this more than once.
Oh, I did this for like a year.
The other part is you're cheating on the test, but you're not trying to outsmart the teacher. You're trying to outsmart your peers. Just like, no, you marked it wrong. Jimmy's the idiot, not me.
I'd turn to them and be like, come on, it's my birthday.
This is more than one. No, have you ever cheated on anything else?
You know what? No, I'm so cursed. Every time I lie about anything or anything,
you're just nervous.
I always get caught. It always blows up in my face. Everything. I just try to avoid it at all costs.
Yeah, no, it's just the one time. That's the only time I can. I don't think I ever did. I always did fine. Like I didn't.
I wish I had cheated more in high school back when like phones and like things became before teachers really knew what people could do with them. Like I had a bunch of friends.
I think it's easier now with like smartwatches and stuff. You could like take a picture on your smartwatch and like send it to a friend, and he could like beam you back the answer or something.
Oh shit, that's right.
That's good.
Anyways. Oh my man.
Yeah, if only we were back in school.
I'm gonna go back in school just so I can
cheat.
That's it.
Anyways, so I guess
yeah.
So we have cheated.